Ever wished your everyday banking could be smoother, cheaper, and well, a little more crypto-friendly? Then buckle up, because today we're diving into bitwala, a challenger bank with a twist. It lets you seamlessly blend your traditional finances with the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Imagine this: you get your paycheck deposited directly into your bitwala account. A portion goes into a virtual euro account for your bills and daily spending, just like a regular bank. But with the tap of a button, you can instantly convert some of that paycheck into Bitcoin or Ethereum, ready to invest or hold for the future. Intrigued? Let's break down what bitwala offers and see if it's the financial game changer you've been waiting for. Crypto for everyone, no more confusing exchanges. One of the biggest hurdles for newcomers to cryptocurrency is navigating complex exchanges. Bitwala removes that barrier. It's a one-stop shop where you can buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum directly within the app, 24/7. No need to mess with separate platforms or worry about transferring funds back and forth. Spend your crypto like cash, introducing the bitwala debit card. So you've bought some crypto, but how do you actually use it? Bitwala solves that too, with a Visa debit card linked directly to your account. Now you can spend your Bitcoin and Ethereum at millions of stores and ATMs worldwide, just like you would with a regular debit card. No conversions, no hassle, just tap and pay for that morning coffee with your crypto holdings. Security first, keeping your crypto safe. Let's face it, security is a top concern when dealing with cryptocurrency. Bitwala takes this seriously. They use a combination of industry-standard security practices and multi-signature technology to keep your funds safe. This means even if someone hacks into your account, they won't be able to access your crypto without additional authorization. Beyond crypto, everyday banking features you'll love. Bitwala isn't just about crypto. It functions as a fully fledged bank account, complete with a virtual IBAN for easy international transfers. You can pay bills directly from the app, manage your finances with clear overviews, and even receive your salary directly into your bitwala account, perfect for freelancers and digital nomads. Is bitwala right for you? If you're curious about cryptocurrency but feel overwhelmed by the complexities, bitwala offers a user-friendly way to dip your toes in. For frequent travelers or those who value the flexibility of crypto payments, bitwala's debit card is a game changer. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is still a relatively new and volatile asset class. While bitwala makes it easier to manage your crypto, there's always a risk of price fluctuations. The final verdict: a traditional bank with a modern twist. Bitwala isn't trying to replace your traditional bank entirely. Instead, it offers a seamless integration between your everyday finances and the world of crypto. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting out, bitwala provides a user-friendly platform to manage your money on your terms. So, what are you waiting for? Check out bitwala and see if it's the key to unlocking a new level of financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.